Maximum suggested retail price for premature or even inconsequential or necessary right now. The Department of Agriculture has ruled following talks with pork retailers and stakeholders in the hog industry. A well and carefully thought out decision based on a stable farm gate price on pork and cost expected to gradually slide further down the line. Armeri Vilcustodio views us more.
The Department of Agriculture, or DA, announced that they will not be imposing a maximum suggested retail price on pork following their discussion with pork retailers and stakeholders.
For the next 2 weeks, ay wala munang i-issue na maximum suggested retail price. Nag-agree ang bawat sektor na pag-aaralan mabuti yung cost structure magmula sa importer, sa trader, sa retailer hanggang sa biyahero para malaman kung saan posibleng magkaroon ng pagbaba ng presyo ng baboy.
A pork retailer explained.
Hindi po, syempre doon sa kinukuhanan namin. Kasi kung di naman mataas yung bigay sa amin, hindi naman kami magtataas eh.
Based on the current trend, farm gate already stabilized and is expected to decrease once investigation on the cost structure takes place. DA confirms that the problem on spiking pork prices cannot be blamed on the retailers.
Farm gate malinaw, 240 ngayon. Ang retail nasa 380 or 400. So between 240 and 400, yun ang sisilipin kung nasan ba ang possible na may problem or may gap.
According to some producers, they are already recovering from high cases of African swine fever from the third quarter of last year. However, according to the Agriculture Department, the said reason is unacceptable for raising pork prices. The 400 to 480 pesos pork retail price is already considered abusive since the maximum price assumption is only 400 to 430 pesos and government efforts will continue to bring it down further. Agencies will continue to monitor and ensure proper pricing in the markets. Pork retail prices are increasing due to the recovery of hog industry from ASF, leading to its increasing population. Only 68 active ASF cases remain, which is significantly lower than more than 500 cases in the third quarter of 2024. Batangas is already ASF-free. The controlled commercial release of AVAC vaccine is targeted to begin on the first week of April.
From PTV, Vel Custodio, Balitang Pambansa.